Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, platforms, and technologies to promote and advertise products, services, or brands to a target audience. It encompasses a wide range of online marketing activities aimed at reaching potential customers where they spend much of their time, on the internet and digital devices. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of strategies and tactics, each designed to achieve specific marketing objectives. Here are some common examples of digital marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing website content to improve its visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. Keyword research and optimization. On-page SEO, including meta tags, headings, and content optimization. Building high-quality backlinks. Search engine marketing, SEM, and pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Running paid advertising campaigns on search engines like Google Ads. Bidding on keywords to display ads at the top of search results. Creating ad copy and landing pages tailored to specific keywords. Social media marketing. Creating and sharing engaging content on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Running paid social media ad campaigns. Building and engaging with a social media community. Content marketing. Creating and sharing valuable, informative, and entertaining content. Content formats may include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, ebooks, and more. Content distribution through websites, blogs, email newsletters, and social media. Email marketing. Sending targeted and personalized email campaigns to subscribers. Promoting products, sharing news, or nurturing leads. Utilizing segmentation and automation for more effective campaigns. Affiliate marketing. Partnering with affiliates, publishers or influencers, to promote products or services. Affiliates earn commissions on sales or leads they generate. Tracking affiliate performance through unique affiliate links. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers in a specific niche or industry. Influencers promote products or services to their engaged audience. Leverage influencer credibility and reach. Display advertising. Placing visual or text-based ads on websites and apps. Utilizing ad networks and programmatic advertising. Targeting specific demographics or interests. Mobile marketing. Optimizing websites and content for mobile devices. Running mobile app install campaigns. Location-based marketing using geofencing and beacons. Analytics and data analysis. Collecting and analyzing data to measure the performance of marketing campaigns. Identifying trends, user behavior, and areas for improvement. Making data-driven decisions for campaign optimization. E-commerce and online sales. Running online stores and platforms for product sales. Utilizing digital marketing to drive traffic, conversions, and sales. Marketing automation. Automating marketing tasks such as email sends, lead nurturing, and segmentation. Personalizing content and messaging based on user behavior. These are just some examples of digital marketing strategies and tactics. Successful digital marketing often involves a combination of these methods tailored to specific business goals and target audiences. Digital marketers continuously adapt their strategies to the evolving digital landscape and consumer behavior to achieve the best results. Here's a simple example of how digital marketing might work for a small local bakery. Objective: increase foot traffic and sales at the bakery's physical location. Digital marketing strategy. Website and local SEO. Create a user-friendly website for the bakery with information about the menu, location, opening hours, and contact details. Optimize the website for local SEO by including keywords like best bakery in, city, and fresh pastries, neighborhood. Ensure that the website is mobile responsive since many customers may search for bakeries on their smartphones. Social media marketing. Set up social media profiles on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Regularly post high-quality images of freshly baked goods, specials, and behind-the-scenes shots of the bakery. Use location-based hashtags and geotag posts to attract local followers. Respond promptly to comments and engage with customers on social media. Google My Business. Claim and optimize the bakery's Google My Business listing, providing accurate information like location, hours, and customer reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on Google. Use Google Posts to promote daily specials or events. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering a discount or a free item in exchange for customers' email addresses. Send out weekly or monthly newsletters with updates on new pastries, promotions, and upcoming events. Offer exclusive discounts or coupons to email subscribers. Local online advertising. Run targeted Facebook and Instagram ads to reach people in the bakery's neighborhood. Promote special offers such as a buy one, get one free deal on cupcakes. Use Google Ads to bid on relevant keywords like bakery near me or freshly baked bread, city. Analytics and monitoring. Use website analytics and social media insights to track website traffic, social media engagement, and customer interactions. Monitor the effectiveness of online advertising campaigns by measuring click-through rates and conversion rates. Community engagement. Participate in community events and sponsor local fundraisers or charity events. Share these activities on social media and the bakery's website to demonstrate involvement in the community. Feedback and improvement. Encourage customer feedback through surveys or social media polls. Use feedback to make improvements to the bakery's products and services. This simple digital marketing strategy for the bakery leverages the bakery's online presence, engages with the local community, and uses digital channels to attract customers to the physical location. Over time, the bakery can refine its strategy based on data and customer feedback to continue growing its business. Digital marketing works by leveraging various online channels, tools, and strategies to promote products, services, or brands to a target audience. The process involves several key steps. Identifying objectives and target audience. The first step is to define clear marketing objectives. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts? Common objectives include increasing website traffic, generating leads, boosting sales, or improving brand awareness. Identify and understand your target audience. Create detailed buyer personas that represent your ideal customers, including their demographics, interests, and online behavior. Creating a digital marketing plan. Develop a comprehensive digital marketing plan that outlines your strategies and tactics. Consider which online channels and platforms are most relevant to your audience and objectives. Set a budget for your digital marketing campaigns and allocate resources accordingly. Website and content development. Ensure your website is user-friendly, mobile responsive, and optimized for search engines, SEO. A well-designed website is crucial for converting visitors into customers. Create high-quality and valuable content that resonates with your audience. This content can include blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. Search engine optimization, SEO. Implement SEO best practices to improve your website's visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. This includes optimizing on-page elements, conducting keyword research, and building high-quality backlinks. Content marketing. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your marketing goals. Create and share informative, engaging, and relevant content to attract and retain your audience. Use various content formats, such as blog posts, videos, and ebooks, to cater to different preferences. Social media marketing. Establish a presence on relevant social media platforms and create profiles that reflect your brand identity. Share content, engage with followers, and run targeted ad campaigns to reach a wider audience. Email marketing. Build and segment an email list of subscribers who have expressed interest in your products or services. Send personalized email campaigns that deliver value to recipients, whether it's promotional offers, educational content, or updates. Paid advertising, SEM and display. Use paid advertising on search engines, SEM, and display networks to reach potential customers. Set up targeted ad campaigns based on keywords, demographics, and user behavior. Monitor and adjust ad campaigns to optimize performance. Analytics and data analysis. Implement tracking tools and analytics to measure the performance of your digital marketing efforts. Analyze data to gain insights into user behavior, conversion rates, and the effectiveness of different marketing channels. Make data-driven decisions and adjust strategies as needed for continuous improvement. Testing and optimization. Continuously test different elements of your digital marketing campaigns, including ad copy, landing pages, and content. Optimize based on the results of A/B tests and data analysis to improve conversion rates and ROI. Monitoring and reporting. Regularly monitor the progress of your digital marketing initiatives. Generate reports to track key performance indicators, KPIs, and share results with stakeholders. Iterate and refine. Based on the insights gained from monitoring and reporting, make iterative improvements to your digital marketing strategies. Stay updated with industry trends and adapt your approach to changing consumer behavior and technology. Digital marketing is an ongoing process that requires adaptability and a commitment to understanding your audience and their evolving preferences. It involves using a combination of online channels and tactics to achieve marketing goals and engage with potential customers in the digital landscape.